Let's kick off a brand new year of tutorials with some viewer mail. A user writes, "How can my students use Microsoft Stream to record a 30-second PSA and submit it to me for a class assignment?" Well, thanks for the letter. Once the student has signed into Office 365 on their school device, they go to Stream in the Startup screen or even the Grid menu, and the Stream workspace pops up. Then the user clicks on Create, then Record Screen or Video. You may get a message asking for access to the device camera, microphone, or both. On the bottom left of the screen that pops up, you choose Camera Only from the Sources menu. The students should then see themselves on the built-in camera. Next, they press Record when they're ready and stop when they're finished. If there's no editing to do on the video, they hit Upload to Stream. They'll see an option to name their video and add a description. The video will need time to process. They then will hit Publish and later select Go to Video. There they can view their video in the screen that follows. If they scroll below the video to the Share button, similar to YouTube, the next screen they should see should be a link that they can copy and share with you and anyone else on the team. Here's to a happy and safe 2021 from your friends at Pioneer TV.